I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Researchers in California are pushing the limits of speed and volumetric imaging with a new microscope that offers a more comprehensive real-time view of cell dynamics than has ever been possible. Building on existing multifocus microscopy, a team at the University of California, Santa Cruz has developed a high-speed 3D imaging microscope that can capture in great detail the inner workings of an entire small organism all at once and in real time. Called the M25, the new microscope features a 25-camera array and diffractive optics, a combination the team says is more efficient than conventional bulky prism-based components. The system involves multifocused blazed gratings that split incoming light, which allows each camera to capture the same image simultaneously, but focused at different depths, ultimately creating a complete 3D snapshot of real-time biological dynamics. The team says the new microscope is well suited for examining organisms like C. elegans worms, commonly used in studies of cell development and neuroscience, without disrupting their natural behaviors. And its compatibility with both fluorescence and label-free modalities makes it ideal for imaging sensitive biological systems. PowerPhotonic, a UK-based designer and manufacturer of beam shaping and image-enhancing optics, has named Amanda Robertson to lead as its new group CEO. She joins the company with years of experience with companies including Walker Precision Engineering and Stone Ridge Electronics. Company representatives say this move will help boost its next phase of innovation and ultimately expand its growth throughout the UK and the US. Elsewhere, SPIE has announced the addition of 92 new senior members. SPIE officials say senior members are those recognized for their professional experience and technical accomplishments, as well as their active involvement with the optics community. The 2025 group includes Fengling Peng, who has made significant advancements in virtual reality and display technology with Meta, Michael Brodsky, who has made strides in the area of quantum internet with the U.S. Army Research Lab, and Vicki Phillipson of IMEC, who has been a key contributor to advanced lithography and imaging. A new way to manipulate light's handedness could mean big things for data encryption, biosensing, and anti-counterfeiting. A team of researchers from the Bio-Nanophotonic Systems Lab at EPFL in Switzerland and the Australian National University has designed optical metasurfaces that can control light via chirality, in which a shape is different than its mirror image, or handedness. The metasurface is made from germanium on a calcium difluoride substrate, featuring a gradient of nano-sized elements, or meta-atoms, the positions of which change continuously along a chip. This enables easy, seamless tuning of the metasurface's response to polarized light. The team says metasurfaces are known to manipulate light extremely precisely, and arranging the meta-atoms with a regulated shape and orientation allows the creation of optical surfaces that strongly respond to specific light polarizations. The chiral metasurfaces essentially offer a way to encrypt and store information within the infrared spectrum. The team says they could also enhance biosensing, as chirality is commonly used in identifying things like drug composition. Quantum technologies could potentially benefit too, since they also rely on polarized light. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast too for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.